So hi y'all, today I'm going to show you my most unique way of doing my base with London Pride Cosmetics. The base is very three-dimensional with soft definition on your skin and it's going to look extremely undetectable and very flawless. I will be using the London Pride Cosmetics HD brushes for that flawless finish, so let's start off. So once you're done with the skin prep, we're going to start by color correcting our skin. So I'm going to use an orange corrector on all the areas wherever there is hyperpigmentation on my skin. And then we're going to use the HD small foundation brush from London Pride and start to tap and blend the product into our skin. This brush is super small and it's extremely pointy and defined, which makes it perfect to reach into the inner corners and also to target correct on all the acne marks. The brush is quite dense and it's also stiff, which helps to avoid any streak marks on the entire skin. This also helps to blend out your correctors smoothly into your skin without lifting it from all the hyperpigmentation. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to use the HD foundation brush. This brush is great for giving you a full coverage with your concealer and it does not lift off the corrector nor does it move it. The brush is extremely soft and it also has a very good density which avoids any streakiness on the skin. So now moving on to the most unique step, we're going to use two foundations today. The first foundation is the Estee Lauder Double Wear and this is extremely mattifying. So we're going to use this on our T-zone. Make sure that this foundation is 1 to 1.5 shades lighter than your complexion. So using the HD foundation brush, we're going to apply the Estee Lauder foundation right in our T-zone. So what this does is that it highlights the center of your face and at the same time it makes sure that your base does not become oily as the foundation is extremely mattifying. So what this does is that it highlights your T-zone, making it look a little more lifted. So moving on to the HD buffing brush, this helps to blend your foundation into your skin like a dream. It gives you the most seamless and the flawless blend without lifting the product and moving the product too much. The next one is the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation and this is going to give you a dewy finish and this has to be 1 to 1.5 shades deeper than your complexion. The bristles on this brush are extremely thin and it helps to buff your foundation into your skin, giving you a very flawless finish. So make sure that you go all the way into your hairline and you also define the sides of the face as you go along. This would give you a very soft definition and it does not make your foundation look flat. So this technique creates the three-dimensionalness on your face and giving you a little bit of depth on the side and making your entire skin look extremely flawless and structured. So next up, we're going to use the flat contour brush and add a little more definition on the cheekbones. And this contour brush helps to give you a very smooth and even blend and it also gives you a very sharp and precise contour. So this is perfect if you want to define your cheekbones, and also I'm going to add a little bit of definition along my hairline, and as you can see, this blends the product beautifully into your skin and it also helps to give you a lot of precision as you work through. I think this is perfect because it has a tiny bit of movement and this is not very dense, which helps to make sure that you're not picking up too much product. Moving on, I'm going to strobe my skin using the HD angled contour brush and this has the perfect cut for it to sit perfectly across your cheekbones and it also helps to blend out the strobe cream beautifully and seamlessly on your skin. The brush is quite diffuse and it does not have too much length, which gives you a lot of precision as you work with your strobe creams. Moving on to the HD bronzer brush, we're going to use a yellow setting powder on our under eyes and this is going to help to set very precisely. So as we're doing a very dewy base, you don't want the powder to go all across the skin. So this would give you the precision and it also picks up the right amount of product for your skin. Moving on to finishing powder, I'm going to use the HD powder brush and apply it all across my skin. As you can see, the bristles of this brush are very long and it's also diffused in nature, which gives you a seamless blend without overdoing it. Moving on to some blush, we're going to use the HD angled contour and start applying the blush all across the cheek, and you can see that it hugs the cheek really well and it blends the blush seamlessly into the skin. So moving on to highlighter, we're going to use the HD fan brush. This brush will help to layer your highlighter instead of going for a streaky highlighter, which gives you a natural and seamless finish on your skin. So now that the base is done, I'm going to complete my eyes and lips, and this is the completed look and I hope you all enjoyed this look. So overall, I love the finish which I got by using the London Pride cosmetic brushes. These are extremely soft, great quality and they do not shed. They help to blend your makeup beautifully into your skin and gives you a seamless blend. So I'll leave the links down in the description bar below and I hope you all enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye.